Good evening, scrappers. It's today 3 March, 8 p.m. and I'm going to scrap a gas stove. You can find them a lot, especially when people are renovating their house. And what I like about gas stoves is that they always have nice brass, stainless steel sometimes, cast aluminum, cast iron, and yeah, I like to scrap gas stoves. And as scrappers know, it all adds up. So if you scrap one gas stove, it's not much, but when you do a lot, then yeah, it's a nice profit, and it's really relaxing to do also. So yeah, let's go. So what do we got here? We got a gas pipe with some nice brass on it. I'm gonna get them on. And we first gonna start fixing out all the screws. Let's check it out. This one goes off way down. See? Some nice brass on these, some aluminum. I'm gonna scrap these later. Brass. That's one. So what do you got here? I think it's some iron. Got some cables here. Steel. Some connector. Okay, we got a first steel. So what do we got here? We got some cables. Is this copper? Yes. This is going in my number 2 wire bucket. Same for this one. All right, let's go. Steel. Too bad. Some nice aluminum. Nice brass. stainless steel. Cast aluminium. We got steel. Thin steel. Got some nice brass over here. Check it out. Okay, so scrappers, we sort out a bit and we got our aluminium, our cast aluminium, some thin steel. Steel plates are outside. We got our brass, some stainless steel screws. But a really important thing I want to tell you guys is that if you see these gas taps, it's very important that you check them if it's 100% brass, because a lot of times there are steel screws in it. For example, this one. If you bring this to your scrapyard like this, they're not going to give you the full price for brass. So it is very important that you open these up like this, and then you can see that the screws are from steel, And this piece over here, the same. This piece is brass, but now you can see the heavy piece of brass. There is no steel in it. If you check it always with your magnet, always check it. There can be some rubber. My scrapyard don't mind if this is on it, but I like to put it away. Always check this. Check it. So this is 100% brass, so you get a full price for the brass. So always check it. And this comes out from the other piece. You can see it's steel. You want to separate this, so you get the full price, the highest price, the best profit. So now we're gonna do this with both. Open them. Nice brass. Get away with the steel. Okay. There's a spring. You can see there are two pieces, and this one is full brass. It can go to brass. And this is steel. Same for these guys. All right, we got this. Let me get this thing over here. So scrappers, let's see what we got. We're gonna first start with the steel. I weighed the big plates outside. It's about 5 kilo, and these are the small pieces, the screws and everything. So let's check it out. So we got 419 grams steel. We're going to the brass. We got 404 grams of brass. This time, too bad, we have no copper, so this can go like this. Now we're going to our cast aluminium. We got 366 grams of cast aluminium. And we got just straight aluminium. $126.5 grams. And the last one is some stainless steel. It's not much, some screws, but it all adds up. 12 grams. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, guys, and yeah.